Dear trader and investor, in this video presentation, I would like to discuss about the PVR Cinema and Bharti Airtel, two different scripts, chart pattern analysis and important support and the resistance. Before entering into this video presentation, I would like to remind everyone that people who ever wants to know any of the particular stock script, their important support and resistance, I would request them to comment on the video presentation in the comment box. If possible, I would try to make the video presentation. If not, I will comment to their of the recommendations. So before entering into this of the video presentation, please go through the disclaimer once. This content is designed simply for informational and educational purpose, not recommendations or tips offered to any of the person, group or individual. Before taking any position, please consult your financial advisor or do your own individual research. We don't accept any kind of the profit and loss occurring by usage of this video content. This video is done based on the interest of the video maker. Now let us enter into the video presentation main. PVR Cinema. I have captured the price movement action of the daily chart NSC. Last day of the closing price is around 1408 of the price level, and if you observe over these are the levels, they are the important support and the resistance level. The price above this of the horizontal line, it indicates is a support line. Above these of the lines, if the price is below this over of the line, I could say this acting as a resistance line. For an example, I would like to explain about the price around the 1408 is acting as a crucial resistance level, because if you observe over here, these of the many of the times the price moved over here the 1326 to the 1408, because this as an support and this as a resistance the price has moved. If you observe over here from this of the from this level to this level, the price has almost moved in this of the range over the 10 to 15 days of the trade range. Recently, the PVR Cinema in a news that PVR Cinema is currently trading at the 1419.25, up by 28.75 points or 0.027 from the previous close of the 1390 on NSE. The script opened around the 1405 and touches the high 1430 around and respectively. Last 1 week high on the low of the script stands around the 1439 and 1367.85 respectively. The current market capitalization of the company is rupees around the 6545.97 crores. The promoter holding of this company stands at 20.25, while the institutional investors are on the 67.81% and the non-institutional around the 11.93% respectively. PVR Cinemas has agreed to acquire a minority stake in IPIC Gold Class Entertainment LLC, American premier luxury restaurant and theatre company, which owns and operates 16 luxury theatres with 121 screens across 10 states in the United States of America. The board of directors of PVR is in meeting held on November 16, 2017 approved the proposed investment and the strategic partnership between the PVR Cinemas and IPIC, which will agree the PVR valuable exposure in the cinema exhibition market of USA. The completion of the proposed investment is subject to the receipt of relevant corporate and regulatory approvals. PVR Cinema is the largest and the most premium film and retail entertainment company in India. The company is engaged in the business of film exhibition. The company operates other business such as providing content, film distribution and entertainment park through its subsidiaries. So this was the news recently on November 16, 2017 in market released. So based on the price is currently trading around this of the crucial of the resistance level. If above this of the level I am bullish and below this I am expecting the support would be around the 1329. Almost this pattern is looks like the price channel in between 1326 to the 1408 of the price levels. The support and the resistance are the important for any kind of the chart before reading of the analysis. Now let us go through the next script analysis. Bharti Airtel. Like Bharti Airtel is also on the news. The promoter holding company stands at 67.14 while institutional and non-institutional held at 26.28% and 16.58% respectively. Bharti Airtel has launched two new Android-powered 4G smartphones at the price of featuring phone in partnership with Carbon Mobiles. The launch is a part of the Airtel Meri Pehla smartphone initiative, which is aimed at enabling every Indian to buy a 4G smartphone and get on the digital superhighway. The A1 Indian 4G smartphone will be available at an effective price of 1,799 compared to the 4,390, and the A41 Power comes at the effective price of 1849 compared 4290. Both devices come with a full touch 4G screen, 1 GB RAM, dual SIM slot, dual camera along with the host of features. The 4G smartphones, which has Google certified, runs on the latest Android 7.0 Nugget OS and offers full access to all apps on Google Play stores, including YouTube, Facebook, and WhatsApp. In addition, both the smartphones comes preloaded with My Airtel app, Airtel TV, and Wink Music to offer self-service and content experience to customers. Both 4G smartphones comes bundled with monthly pack of 169 rupees from Airtel, which offer generous data and calling benefits. So this was the news recently came out in the market. Coming to the price analysis of the Bharati Airtel daily chart NSE, it's trading the last closing price is around the 504.25. So this is an last day of the closing price. The support and the resistance, currently the price is around the 493.50. There is a support over here, and above this of the next target would be considered as in 417.82, and below this of the level considering the support around the 473.25. If this of the resistance, or we cannot say it's a resistance because the currently it has the stock is not given any kind of the indication whether it is uptrend or downtrend. So consider be careful over here. Once it moves above this of the level, if anyone wants to enter, I am completely bullish from the short term to the long term. I am completely bullish on the Bharti Airtel script. If this crosses below, I consider the support 473.25 and above this 417.82. These are not the pivot levels. These are based on the horizontal line of the previous price action movement and analysis. This gives you the complete analysis, the important support and the resistance. Below these, the price could move in between these of the levels, and the previous high is around the 565.07 and the crucial support around the 433. In between the price has moved in the last 15 to 20 of the trading sessions. So I strongly believe the Bharti Airtel could be maybe do some kind of the good results in of the futures. The support and the resistance always gives the complete picture and gives the several concepts to understand before reading about the specific chart patterns. The first is the trend line, which is a line drawn on a chart to signal the levels of support and the resistance for the price of the script. Support trend lines are the levels at which the price have difficulty falling below. Oppositely, resistance line explains the level at which the price falls have a hard time going above. These trend lines, constant price levels, gives the direction of the trend in the coming of the days. So this is about the PVR cinemas and Bharti Airtel stocks. On these both stocks I'm completely bullish in the long run. So people who are once they may considering on the support and the resistance they may enter the future. I have given the few horizontal line various of the price levels. I suggest the people who are once so they may take up the position based on their this is completely my analysis. I would suggest they also to do of the analysis. If they comfort they may enter of these levels. If people who are new to the market, I suggest them to just observe the price actions. Wherever the price has started bouncing, there would be a crucial of the support. So this is about the video presentation. I suggest everyone to subscribe to this channel and stay for more updates to know of the chart pattern analysis, support and the resistance for any of the particular scripts. So have a great and safe trading. Thank you. Thank you very much.